This project basically consists of two sites, the Jebel Ali power station, which has several power plants, and the Alawir power station, which has three. All power plants are critical infrastructure because they're supplying the electricity to Dubai, and these are the only two plants.
Building, as you know, is the most substantial asset, so we need to make sure that they are designed right, they are constructed right, and they are operated right. So we put our first step into targeting public building by coming up with a directive, which is basically requesting all the entities to reduce their consumption by 20% by 2021. So there is a potential also to retrofit existing lighting to LED, so we can get the benefit of saving more than 50%.
Etihad ESCO is a company that was formed 2 years ago, a little bit more than 2 years ago, in order to retrofit the buildings in Dubai to save electricity and water. And what we do is organize projects focusing today mainly on the government buildings to reduce their consumption. So the lighting retrofit project helps our goals because we're saving significant volume of electricity. We have goals to reduce electricity and water. This project is going to save 14 gigawatt hours per year in terms of electricity, so that's really a great contribution to our goals.
Basically, we're looking for a company that was financially stable, has proven technology, and basically has international experience in delivering energy-saving projects. This project is the first of its kind for the region, so it's very important to work with a reliable partner in this. For us, it's very important that we have a proper design and with minimal maintenance so that we can have sustainable savings.
We're going through the ESCO model, which provides energy performance contracting. In other words, we're not buying products, we're buying the right lighting levels, and we're buying energy savings. And of course, sustainability of those energy savings over a period of time.
Now, the biggest challenge in energy saving project is actually documenting the savings. And guaranteed savings model allows you to, according to international standards, document the savings and guarantee them. And when you have a guarantee, you're able to even finance the project. We're bringing technology that is energy efficient, and we're pairing that with a financial savings model, and that's what's really unique about this.
So all power plants are critical infrastructure. Because they're supplying the electricity to Dubai, and these are the only two plants, anything that goes wrong here would affect all of Dubai. One of the other biggest challenges we have, given the temperature in the UAE, the weather, and of course the temperature of the working areas in power plants, the equipment that has to be installed here has to have special characteristics to be able to sustain and work in this environment. Philips has been very cooperative from the beginning. With all the right documentation, with all the right planning, we were able to work with Philips and to bring the right people in at the right times, coordinate with the right teams. We also found the right expertise when it came down to lighting by itself, because we found that the right products with the right advice, almost as a consultant, was provided by Philips. So this project basically goes through two phases. The first phase is the execution of the actual installation of the lights. After the installations are completed, Philips is required to ensure that the lighting levels are maintained throughout the life of the project. And during this period, Philips will be responsible for maintaining the light fittings, ensuring that they're in good working order, as well as ensuring that they're fully functional, replacing any equipment that is faulty, and ensuring that the standards of comfort, which is the lux levels, are maintained throughout the life.
We were guaranteed a savings of 68%. And while we're now very close to the end of the project, we're very impressed by how much saving it actually is. We're waiting for the project to be complete, but we see it's much above what was promised, and we feel very positive about this.
So the result of the project in terms of energy saving and CO2 reductions are quite impressive. We are saving 14 gigawatt hours of electricity every year, which is a 68% reduction on the consumption of the lighting infrastructure. And in terms of CO2 emissions, we are avoiding a little bit more than 6,000 tons every year. The partnership with Philips Lighting is really, I believe, a win-win partnership between the two. We are going to deliver to the client some significant improvement of its lighting. We're going to improve the comfort, the visual comfort of the occupants. So our experience working with Philips Lighting on this project has been very good. Philips have been delivering the project in a very efficient manner.
With any working relationship, the most common elements or the most important elements usually are trust and reliability. So Philips has developed the trust with us by providing the right kind of feedback, with timed responses to what we have requested, and making adjustments when we needed to. So they have worked fluidly with the project requirements.
We really appreciated working with Philips Lighting. We look at this not as a typical vendor relationship. We looked at this as a partnership where we can both sit on the same table and make joint decisions. And so far, our experience has been very positive. This project will be a showcase for the rest of Dubai. So this should not be the only project, and that the expertise that we're building here in Dubai can be scaled at the Dubai level across the Emirate. But we really felt that we can work together hand in hand, both through the design phase and the delivery phase, and it's been a very productive relationship.
Innovation and you. Philips.